Hello everyone, welcome to IS Dushina. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Vessel Monitoring System. The Department of Fisheries, Government of India under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana has approved a project National Rollout Plan for Vessel Communication and Support System for installation of indigenously developed transponders on 1 lakh marine fishing vessels covering mechanized and motorized vessels of all 13 coastal states and union territories with an outlay of rupees 364 crores. Vessel communication and support system is being implemented with technical support of Indian Space Research Organization, which is ISRO. The VCSS in a satellite-based two-way communication system which helps the fisheries out at sea for sea safety and security, provides alerts during adverse weather conditions, no fishing zones, international maritime boundary line with geofencing and integration with the NavMitra app. The VCSS project envisages to cover 1 lakh vessels and pan-India coverage. Till date, more than 49,000 transponders have already been installed in the coastal states and union territories under this project. The Government of India has prohibited the harmful fishing methods such as bull travelling or pair travelling and use of artificial lights or LED lights for fishing in the Indian exclusive economic zone. While purse seine fishing is prohibited by some coastal states and union territories in their territorial waters, this method of fishing is allowed by some other states, union territories in their territorial waters. As far as the EEZ beyond territorial waters is considered, considering the recommendations of the expert committee, the purse seine fishing is not prohibited in the EEZ area beyond the territorial waters. Enforcement of fishing regulations, including action against prohibited fishing practices, is primarily undertaken by the state and union governments under the respective Maritime Fisheries Regulations Act (MFRAs). All the maritime states or union territories have been advised to take necessary steps, including harbor-based monitoring of fishing vessels, issuance of necessary government orders to prevent harmful fishing within and beyond the territorial waters, monitoring by patrol vessels and drones, and to take punitive actions against the violators as per the provisions of their respective state MFRAs. As such, no joint patrolling is conducted by state fisheries departments and Coast Guard. However, the Coast Guard ships on their routine patrol monitor and report the prohibited fishing activities undertaken by fishing boats at sea to the concerned state fisheries authorities for taking necessary action. The action against illegal fishing activities include seizure of fishing boats, gates, imposition of penalties or prosecution is taken by the competent state authorities as per the MFRAs and other applicable laws. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.